In this video, I am about to show you how to easily learn Chinese in Memrise. First, open the Memrise app on your mobile device or visit the Memrise website on your computer. If you don't have an account yet, tap on Get Started or Sign Up. You can sign up with your email address or connect through Google or Facebook. Once you're logged in, you'll be prompted to choose the language you want to learn. Then scroll to the options and tap on Chinese, either simplified or traditional, depending on your preferences. Now, Memrise will ask about your learning goals. For example, how much time you want to dedicate to learning each day. You can choose anything from a few minutes to longer, depending on your schedule. Next, Memrise will introduce you to basic Chinese vocabulary. You'll start by learning essential words and phrases like greetings and numbers. The app uses flashcards, images, and audio clips to help you remember the words and understand how they are pronounced. As you continue, Memrise will teach you how to recognize and write Chinese characters and help you with the pinyin, the romanization of Chinese. You'll also work through practice exercises to strengthen your memory and build your confidence in speaking. The more you practice, the more advanced the lessons will become. Memrise will introduce you to sentence structures, conversational phrases, and useful everyday vocabulary. To unlock additional features like offline mode or more in-depth exercises, you can choose to subscribe to Memrise Pro. Remember to practice daily to build consistency, and you can always adjust your learning goals or track your progress in the settings menu. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.